The Sandy Springs Ranch, 2,389 acres, has a current stocking rate of 650 pair on the deeded land. An additional 500 plus acres of leased land is carrying about 150 pair, and another 854 acres are available with a 1-year lease purchase. Altogether, this ranch could carry between 850 and 1,000 pairs. The ranch also features 2 contemporary homes, a guest house, and a bunkhouse. The pastures are all subdivided with cross fencing, and the Sprigged Bermuda grass and native grasses provide a long grazing season. With 30 ponds, 3 seasonal streams, and 8 frostless watering tanks, your livestock will never want for water. Barns, shops, sheds, and working facilities are well placed for easy access and functionality. The corrals contain miles of steel pipe fencing and will accommodate all the livestock the ranch will support. This ranch was previously a registered cattle operation and features a livestock sale arena, barn with wash stall, and all you need to host your own sales. Call today to view this exceptional ranch.